Crepe makers are versatile and handy kitchen appliances that allow users to create thin and delicious French-style crepes in the comfort of their own homes. There are many products available to choose crepe makers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best crepe makers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Moss and Stone Electric Crepe Maker. The Moss and Stone Electric Crepe Maker is a versatile and highly convenient kitchen appliance that allows you to quickly and easily make crepes, soft tortillas, tacos, blintzes, eggs roll, chapati, and many more breakfast favorites in 20 seconds, even with no cooking experience. Its non-stick coated plate surface, automatic temperature control, and high-powered heating element prevent burning and ensure that your crepes come out perfectly every time. The crepe maker is compact and easy to clean, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Chefman Electric Crepe Maker and Griddle. The Chefman Electric Crepe Maker and Griddle is a versatile and convenient kitchen gadget that allows you to make delicious crepes, pancakes, eggs, bacon, and more. The precise temperature control knob and ready and power indicator light make cooking easy and safe. The non-stick aluminum surface is easy to clean, and the extra-large 12-inch cooking surface is perfect for feeding the whole family. Use this multifunctional grill pan for even more creative cooking, from toasting tortillas to stir-frying veggies. The Chefman Electric Crepe Maker and Griddle is easy to store and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. Number 3. NutriChef Electric Griddle Crepe Maker Cooktop. The NutriChef Electric Crepe Maker and Griddle is perfect for making breakfast favorites such as crepes, pancakes, bacon, and eggs. Its compact design makes it easy to store and travel with, while also being safe for any countertop or tabletop. The adjustable temperature control ensures even cooking, and the LED indicator light lets you know when the desired temperature has been reached. It also comes with a wooden spatula and batter spreader for easy preparation, and the non-stick aluminum construction makes flipping and removal of food a breeze. Number 4. Chefman Electric Crepe Maker. The Chefman Crepe Maker is a multifunctional kitchen appliance perfect for making breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner. With its powerful 1000-watt heating element and precise temperature control knob, you can make consistent and delicious crepes, blintzes, pancakes, omelets, hash browns, and many more. Its large cooking area and non-stick surface make it easy to create restaurant-style crepes in your own kitchen, saving you time and effort. The included batter spreader and spatula ensure perfect distribution, smooth texture, and easy flipping. Plus, it's easy to clean with just a damp cloth. With its advanced safety technology and 1-year warranty, you can purchase the Chefman Crepe Maker worry-free. Number 5. 12 Griddle and Crepe Maker. The 12 Griddle and Crepe Maker by Cucinapro is an ideal kitchen tool for making delicate crepes and blintzes quickly and easily. Its non-stick aluminum plate and 5 temperature settings provide precise control for perfect results. The griddle can also be used for making stacks of pancakes, bacon, and other breakfast favorites. The on-off ready light lets you know when the plate is hot enough, and rubber feet on the bottom provide extra stability. It comes with a batter spreader and a recipe guide for basic crepe batter, fresh mushroom crepes, and blueberry blintzes. The portable and adjustable style makes it perfect for Easter morning breakfast and a great birthday or holiday gift. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.